Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up booking on Squarespace. First, log into your Squarespace account and find the scheduling panel. You will need to select a subscription plan that aligns with your business requirements. Then, connect your existing calendar, like Google Calendar or Outlook, to automatically block out unavailable times. This ensures you avoid any double bookings and maintain accurate availability for your clients. Next, let's create your services. For each service, specify its duration, such as 30 minutes or 1 hour, and set the price. After that, establish your weekly availability by selecting the days and times you are open for appointments. Remember to add buffer times, perhaps 15 minutes, between bookings. This allows you to prepare for the next client or take a short break. Now, make your booking page truly yours. Customize its appearance with your brand's colors and upload your logo for a consistent look. You can also create custom intake forms to collect essential client information before their appointment. If you have a team, add your staff members and assign them to the services they provide, managing their individual schedules. Finally, it's time to integrate and launch. Embed your newly created scheduling page directly onto your Squarespace website, making it easily accessible. Before going live, thoroughly test the entire booking process yourself, perhaps making a dummy appointment, to ensure everything works perfectly. Once confirmed, proudly promote your new, efficient online booking system to all your clients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.